Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Stopping by really quick. I'm working on bracelets. So I did put this one bracelet together, and I am going to make a partner bracelet to go with it. I really like the way this came out with all the different colors mixed in and some wire beads, and all that good stuff. Really like the way it looks. I don't work a lot with purple, but I got some purple paint, and I said, because I was looking for colors, I was looking for different colors in paint, and I was like, man, what colors have I not used? And I said, you know what? Purple is not a color that I lean towards. So I said, let me go ahead and do purple. And I really, really like the way the beads came out, the purple beads. So I really like the way these came out. And this is one of the bracelets. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and make a partner bracelet to go with it. And I am going to use for the focal bead is going to be, it's not going to be the same one as this one right here. I think I'm going to use something different. Let's go with maybe one of these just to get it. Or you know what? Do I want to use? Yeah, let's use one of these just to get us started. See what we come out with. And because I have these bead caps from buying the strands of beads, I'm going to put one, I'm going to put them on here and then see what it turns out looking like. I don't buy bead caps. I don't really like the way they look. I know a lot of people like them because of the little accent or whatever they add to it. I don't really like them that much. Only, I don't know if it's because it makes jewelry look like everybody else's or what, but I don't too much dig it. So I am going to put that there. And let me see. Let's go with these pretty beads. So we're gonna go ahead and make these pretty much the focal point of the bracelet. And it looks like that so far. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these purple beads that I painted purple with gray and yellow. And I'm going to put that on here. See how good this matches. Just kind of take it all the way around a couple of times. So we'll put a couple of the purple beads on here. And then also I want to try, I have these yellow beads with almost like just a bunch of lines going in a circle. I want to try these too and see what these look like on here. And it looks like it'll match, and I'm sure it will because the purple has yellow. And then that bead has some yellow. So I'm going to put two of these in here just to see what it'll... Oops. Dropping stuff everywhere. Very simple and easy. It's just a matter of stringing some beads and then coordinating them just to see what they'll look like. That's pretty right there. So I'm going to finish the bracelet off with the purple beads, purple hand painted beads. I think these are in the Etsy shop too. These beads right here. And also, oh, you know what? Let's use a couple of these. These are a couple of these purple ones too. So I'm going to put one on this side. And then we'll put one on the other side because I only need to use two of these. The rest of these go back in the jar. All right, so let's see what we got, what that looks like. And we will probably need to take, oh, let's do this. Let's take one of these off. And then we'll just leave this bead. I'm going to take it and tie it. Put a couple of knots. One, two. I haven't had any problems with bracelets coming apart from just tying. I do know that some people will use glue after they, tie the knots and then cut the extra cord off, but I've never had a problem with bracelets, and I have bracelets I've been wearing for years that I made. So I guess it's just a matter of choice. And I just figure as long as you tie it good enough, you shouldn't have a problem. And because the holes are so big for these big beads, you can tie it as many times as you like because you're able to hide it, in that hole. That's really pretty. Let's see. Get a sister bracelet. You know what? I got paint on this. Let me do something. I wear this little black cord all the time. Oh, it's not on there anymore. The little black cord. I was getting ready to cut it off because I got paint on it. And I was like, let me cut this off. But I don't see any on it, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it on. So let's put this one on first. That's really nice. I like that. And then this one I should have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Probably should have put one more bead on here, but that's really nice. I like that. And all the beads are mixed well together. These don't even need charms. They just look good together because of the bead patterns, how the beads look. And then you got a lot of bling just right here with these beads. And then this one gives you a little glitter, just a little bit. I started to get some glitter paint the other day, but I didn't. I think what I will do is I'm going to get a bottle just to try it out and see what the beads will come out looking like. But I do like the way these look. Very pretty, very pretty. So this will be a set that I'll have available in June, either June or August. Just a quick little set. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what, folks? I'm going to take a picture real quick. I told you I learned how to take a picture while I'm videotaping now, so I'm going to have to remember to do that because I'll be forgetting to do it. And then I end up taking the picture after I've recorded the video. So let's see if that one will work. And I might even try something else. Let's do this. Let's put it on the pillow. These are some pretty beads. These all match really well together. Let's do. Trying to hide my my fingers. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Either this one or something. Trying to see how I want to do them to make them as my thumbnail. Just gonna try a couple pictures just to see. And that's it. We'll talk.